Fire is not an accidental presence here on this continent. It belongs. And if we want to belong, then we need to learn how to get along with it. My research is looking at the many potential benefits from engaging with traditional owners and Aboriginal people more generally in bushfire management. I'm a social scientist, and so most of my work is around talking to and working with people who work in the field of bushfire management. The flora and fauna that lived on this continent for millennia adapted to fire being around, and some of them actually seek to promote fire, whether that's by eucalypts dropping lots of leaves and bark, or by birds who actively spread fire by picking up burning twigs and flying them somewhere else. Humans evolved in environments that fire had helped create, and now humans have used fire for millennia to try and shape their environments to their ends. Anthropogenic climate change is changing our weather, it's changing our climate, and so it's changing our fires, making them more frequent and intense. Compounding these climatic effects is the ongoing migration of people into what are called wildland-urban interface areas. By doing this, we've put in place all kinds of infrastructure and things we care about right next to these combustible environments. So one of the key difficulties, as I think of it, is that humans and these environments are living on quite different timescales. Someone can live in a landscape for years and not experience a major bushfire, and therefore quite reasonably not think of it as a high-risk area. However, that same landscape is ticking away at its own rhythm, one of centuries, maybe even just decades, preparing itself for a major fire. So how do we coexist better with fire? Agencies and communities are already doing a lot in this direction. However, there's much more to do, including engaging more with traditional owners in Aboriginal communities. As Aboriginal scholars and activists have been saying for a long time, non-Indigenous people have to give up some of their power and control if they want to work together. We have to start from the first principle, that as first people of this continent, they have the right to speak authoritatively about country.